बड़े अच्छे अच्छे ईटिंग प्लेसेस निकले दो, मगर अभी टाइम नहीं हुआ. इट्स जस्ट 12:10, so we cannot stop there. Even the surrounding is pretty nice. सामने माउंटेन्स दिख रहे हैं और आजू बाजू कोकोनट ट्रीज. However, we are not ready for lunch yet. We can still go for about 30-40 minutes before having lunch. So continuing on the journey. Stopping at this hotel just, which is about 91 kilometers from Vizag. Seems to be a nice place. भूख नहीं लगी है, मगर जब तक हम ऑर्डर देंगे 1 बज जाएगा, तब तक भूख लग जाएगी. Place seems to be decent. So far the weather has been very kind to us, and by far this is the most pleasant ride because of the weather, and majority of the distance is covered over highway, so that is also helping. So roughly 2.5 hours more to go from here. It's about 100 kilometers, as I said before. And then once we reach there, then we have to just try to go to the hotel directly where we stayed earlier and put our luggage there, and then look out to book the bike. So roughly around 5:30, 6 o'clock. We'll decide once we reach there. So was a bit worried how the ride will be today because of the distance to be covered, but it's going pretty all right. So far so good.
School, Visakhapatnam, Petru, platform number 10 पर।
So हमने टेस्ट राइड की ली कावासाकी वर्सेस की, हमारे पास थोड़ा समय था. Then we went to hotel and took out all the mirror and all the accessories from the bike because luggage में वो लोग लेते नहीं हैं. फिर I came down to the parcel office and got the bike covered and then book it. So it took roughly 1.5 hours time and booked the cab and went back to the hotel. Meanwhile Shobha was ready and she ordered the food. So we could finish our food by 8 o'clock and welcome Grand Bay ITC Hotel. It's been a pleasure being there, and we were famous there as a bikers couple, so they took good care of us, and we could finish our food and dinner at 8 o'clock, and then we reached here by 8:30, and 8:45 we are inside the train, and with all our luggage and all. So generally the amount of luggage which we are carrying is I think more than we generally carry even in general terms, but it was a 10-day journey, so all stuff is available, and so the bike will be I don't need to go and kind of check because they have assured that the bike will be boarded, and I'll get an SMS as well. Nowadays railways have a better system, so I've paid for the coolie and all that, so the bike will be loaded, and hopefully it will be loaded. So I don't have a control over it neither, because our bogie is at the front end and the luggage is at the back and at the rearmost carriage, so I don't intend to go all the way there and come back before the train departs. So signing off from here. So our trip got completed, and so we had a wonderful trip. Anyway, we'll catch up tomorrow morning as well once we reach Raipur. Had a wonderful trip, and everything went as per plan, including loading of the bike on the train, and so it was a tough journey. Overall the trip was tough, but we could overcome all the challenges. So those are all part of the learning experience, and hopefully we will have many more such trips, memorable trips, and we will keep expanding our challenge in terms of number of days and the quality of the travel and what content we develop. Hopefully this particular ride, this what I call it as South Central ride, which covered Vizag and some of the central part of the south, particularly Andhra region. So this will be liked by everyone, and in order to keep watching the content, subscribe our channel Trail Hunters. It's not easy to find out, so you have to type Trail Hunters Raipur, so then it will come up, and subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and see you soon. See you tomorrow, in fact. before time, and the bike will be available at 9:30. So we have checked, it has arrived, and so I've asked my colleagues to come and collect the bike. So finally the ride completes, and we are back at Raipur safely and happily. So signing off until the next ride.